Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich, and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Coming to you tonight from the Portmore Town Centre, where 4 more sounds vie for the chance to win over $1 million worth of cash and prizes, along with a big championship belt. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Why did you all decide to enter this clash?
Well, you know, I've been here before, you know. But you don't know my warrior say, we're going to do it, so you don't know me if it does. Give the strength, you know the thing go.
A challenge, you know, alone challenge, so I'm not dead in tonight. But we know say, I come out well bad for this tonight, mad for this tonight. I swear, I'm going to make a difference in a Guinness Sound of Greatness tonight.
Now, what can we expect from your sound tonight?
Greatness, and full enjoyment. Well, I just feel energy we come with it, and you know, we all the people them see, and know say as a young youth, we just do a thing and they try to make it better.
Why did you decide to enter the clash this year?
Because, for tell you the truth, I just know my time now for win that clash. Being so many time playing on Guinness Sounds of Greatness, I just know I'm my year. I don't have much to say, but I know I'm my year.
Right now, people are our year that era, so we'll go fit in a real life. Rich squad, up with it.
How did you all prepare for the clash tonight?
Well, we're well prepared, you know. Just stick to the game plan and just do what you have to do. You understand? Just listen to the juggling. Just hear the pattern and the style and the difference with our team. Rebel Tone, just listen to DJ Talk the Juggler, we're there, man. Sean Miller, we're there.
Alright, so you which first? Pick one of Guinness them. You pick a Guinness. Richie pick a Guinness. Tough, only last one. So let's find out what go on now. Where we see Guinness? Where you play?
Second.
Number 1, Natural Vibes, Wicked Man. Carry your laptop now. Bring your laptop now. Natural Vibes starting off the juggling round. Licky Richie Energy playing third. And you reach last, so you playing last. Rebel Tone. Rebel Tone, come here. Man, the people them say helpful. Move the table. Good.
Round 1 is a juggling round. Now in this round, each of the 4 sounds will get 15 minutes to juggle. At the end of their 15 minutes, they will be judged on musical selection, stage presence, and also crowd reaction. At the end of all 4 sounds juggling, their score will determine how they're ranked for round 2. So our MC Bling is on stage, and right now it is juggling time here at the Portmore Town Centre. Week number 5 of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
All who bring a son, Bossa Blanc. The neutral people and Bossa Blanc. All who just want to hear some son play a good and dead or something go on. Bossa Blanc. Right now, we are ready to start the juggling round in.
The juggling round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good night, everybody. Judges, good night. Bartender, security, big up on yourself in that place. Big up everybody who stand up over here so tonight. The neutral people, them. The people who come to see someone dead tonight. Me not busy about not born up by your crowd. When me come for put on juggling, now juggling me attack.
Eternal Father, bless.
Where will Jamaican say man in here?
Guide us with thy mind.
Man in here, fire.
Many rivers to cross.
When people go to online, turn up your lights and I hear. Over there, so. One thing I make you so. Over there, so. Let me play the one you know. When the real people there, put up your lights and I hear. We say. Buffalo soldier. Sing about me, you know, say. Song again.
They can't keep a good man down. Always keep a smile when they want me to frown.
What you do?
Keep the vibes and I stood my ground.
I will never ever take my crown. If you are gonna mash down people, you can't be a coward.
Well, I've been through hills and valleys.
I survive out of the old gangster alley.
Everything you have in mind, I will give.
No bad people in you.
Man, put on me clothes and step out and good me notice. Can I go mad? Them say me look so cute under the ears.
But I say y'all low love natural vibes. I say make me so no one. Badang bang bang.
You just look on the one here.
Me on the toll alone and lock the road. Lyrics by the factory load. Around the style, you know. I'm on a rush like a pit bull. Mix with a ratty. Lock them like a rifle. Mix with a shot. And over them.
If you're caught, me don't want to forward for you.
I'm a little bit. I've been a hustler.
All scraper.
All paper chase. I left shot in for later.
Them selfish up the man dead.
Me know feel
but what's wrong with now?
Me only need one chance. Me only need.
We make it pass all of the drama. When them markle up themselves.
What we got?
Turn it up. 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 Hey, yo.
Cut it. Not another song. So we're ready for the next song now. For see what go on. So Sir Flash Mix, you know what you're gonna start after this.
Hey, Gringo, hand me my pistolero. While you're at it, get me my sombrero. As you all know, this means war.
Some boy on fire late. Straighten them out, Gargamel. This cannot be straight on the pen and paper. Leave that till later. Huh? This here around me, ya no know me, ya no know.
Shoot it, shoot. Over yourself.
Them want know when me have a knock 10 crocodile came on a bus. None of them know they on me level. Who they know? They know the rat here. Slew them with karate. Great things to say you're the eye.
Big up to all those when you come a war. And you come a party, you're fresh. We can't tell you why.
Fresh like water. Me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl, I scream and I can't. Over 36 baby pins on me and kill me and handle it. Them can't pack money like we. Can't burn road like we. Can't start young like we. Can't make chain clink like we. Them can't tell them we.
Level. All who are help me about our friend killer, Busta Blanc Cloud.
One time I smile with man and one long time, yeah. What you think me no friend mankind? What you think to me?
Tell some boys that we're not nice. We make the devil walk baptize. Show them and black eyes. Proud of the place with the bang bang boom. Ugly, well and bang boom.
Flame I left the sun and every man I collect some. Anybody run I get it, anybody run. Girl about looks if you remember say just my son. Badness them a copy so we peace. Rain and shell at the right place. Rain and shell at the right place. Rain and shell at the right place. And everybody knows that the
in man, I know so now, girl, they go so boom, 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 boom.
Like me not mad. Me not mad over.
can't tell me you a girl, it's a you a go back a waist, girl. National with no wife, but a yes, girl.
Being all the fight, all the hate, all the lies to me, and somebody who me love. We do it for the love, we not do it for the lies. Do it for the love, we not do it for the lies.
I know for them all your head and gone, but everywhere you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy, see me one by your phone, them see me on the cup, you know me one gone.
Me come on a kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex with a spiff in a me not now. Make you get to flow, Papa, big and move. Them cars give you the time. When we do road, we have to get the good thing there. The good clothes and the good shoes them. Good chain and the good ring there. In love.
15 more minutes in next song now. Now it's time for Little Richard.
When I see my friends turn enemy, I ask you far. No link, no part. Cause I know.
Put up the 5 finger them, so. We have had the paper and them swell, man.
Like the
slowly we are doing. And they shall surely. If you don't know where you come from, that means you're lost. Everybody will go through the hardest part of life. Put up your hand in the air. Put up your hand and say this. Say this.
The rich man's wealth is in the city.
All of the man them in our love woman. Put up your hand in the air for woman now. Now who you think I am? No, she want me to be. Load it up.
Where do you go? Don't you need my love, baby? Why can't you come on and let us play? When are you going to come my way?
Lever. You notice how them come up here and talk about bias crowd and then sitting there. Me now walk so. You feel always believe in yourself.
Believe in only
Me and them sit up and them time. Let me turn over in here.
Can't stop.
Reach on the place is what they just you know why? Portmore.
Bad man, we not take fish in our face. We not
Lever. Some man run come up here in a military suit. Me can't tell you this.
We not friends so easy.
When you're rolling with me,
you that no scare we.
oh, you have step out in a military suit and not play that song.
You are not done till you one of them day.
See the one of them. See the one of them.
I'm a red squad. When my boy, if he drop down.
A selector come up here and say, all of the Richie Feelings fans, them boy. There's no Richie Feelings fans on there, so. A little Richie with the energy this. If you're going to give me a big up, you give me a real big up. Like how would I say, natural vibes, big up yourself. And you know who else?
Big up every real.
But we don't carry feelings. We carry me. We don't carry feelings.
Any man in here no love woman guy a yard.
Me and all of me ex them good. I'm going to me dinner.
What the girl is like to them? Come! Me love the girl but me never press it.
I took on a cup of coffee.
Ladies and gentlemen, people, can I get 15 minutes on the clock, please? So with no further ado right now, Rebel Tone sound, you know the clash and the juggling round starts, so...
Oi! Rise to the occasion, look at yourself.
Big up all, go get you right now, shit!
Can't stop you. Put and place, I say.
No man cares.
Things getting better when they thought it would be well.
Hold on, the man!
Too much wagoning.
So then I get it, say.
Too much antagonist.
So then.
Wolves and leopards are trying to
Get the shit off the shit.
Love and hate
Next
can never be friends.
Tell about it.
So no,
Clean clothes can't cover dirty heart.
with love and not hatred.
And then again.
Surely goodness.
No rabbit to one son. And then again I say. Rabbit to one son.
Get to youth. Nothing like when pocket full of cash.
Hey!
Many hungry days me used to face, me can't forget.
Hold on, the man!
Soon up up, so me a go
We bought the parking spot!
No, I ain't on the rocks.
Oh man, that's over, yes sir!
Yeah, we put your first and second and third. Watch your blessings come.
So then again.
When them want to stress me, is a me get. When we make the money, none of them now have a intergate.
I'll go get her right now!
Yeah, we fall rise. Fighting for all our life. All our choices not right, cause we not perfect, we have a flaws.
No, rabbit to one there!
JPS just cut the light off.
Oh!
There you! My future no right now. Life just a ask me for sure.
Oh man, that's so good!
But still stay strong.
Love it! Love it! Big out to those you have your dear one friend right now. You're going to find you look by your friend. Because you have the look of dirty back by turn our part. Play the song.
Well, where we living it crazy.
Well, on the board.
Them nothing for them mate way.
Over there, so by your soul.
Wanna live my life. But keep a smile on my face. Just to trick the
Not nice. What one in I run a while ago?
Natural vibes. Yeah, them for name natural alone. The vibes they kind of missing. You see me? Soldier suit, man. Yeah. Your entrance was bad. But just that alone was bad.
Bishop Escobar, what go on with the juggling round? Give us your take, sir.
Flash mix, entry bad and proper, what you call that, your props and them thing there, but you not coordinate with the mixer more and make the formulation more presentable. You see me? Rebel tone, who never give up, still go now mark, but you know it go.
Roxy, what you thought of the juggling round?
But now telling a lie there. The first two sound them will come on, the clash did boring. But now lie. Big up Liquor Richie. You come turn up a wicked vibes. But now lie.
So the juggling round is over, and the sound that has juggled their way into the first place is Little Richie. Coming in second is Sir Flash Mix. Then third, Natural Vibes. And fourth is Rebel Tone. We will take our very first break, but these sounds will be very busy preparing for tonight's challenge. All of that and so much more when we come back right here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Four sounds are in the midst of a very heated and windy battle here tonight in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Our MC Juggling has all the challenge details. It's time for round two, baby.
Let me tell you what the scores are right now. The sound in fourth place, Rebel Tone with 32 points. In third place, Natural Vibes with 43 points. In second place, Sir Flash Mix with 44 points. So the winner of the juggling round, Liquor Richie with the energy, with 72 points.
Now, based on the ranking, these sounds were grouped into two groups, Group A and Group B. Group A has sounds ranked first and fourth, and Group B has the sounds ranked second and third. Now, each group was given a challenge just tonight, and they will have to find 5 songs that fit the theme of the challenge. At the end of that round, the judges will of course decide which person from Group A and Group B will meet. So we have only 2 sounds left in the third and final round, the dub for dub round. So right now, let the challenges begin.
All who know say you're there, you have to see your sound dead. Push up your hand, bust be a black in a sound dead. The people them a roll out, say them a sound dead. Let me tell you what go on dead. Me have some people a lip and a talk, but and a talk. Them a know say the shot and a walk, lip and a talk. Them a move and a dip and a walk. Wheel out. Alright, so here we go. Group A will play 5 songs from the artist Papa Son. Look, Richie, of course you start this round. The challenge round starts.
The challenge round begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That song you have for all of the people them make sense in a life. Because them have some people, them dip on the earth, but them not make sense. All of the people them in here will believe say, one day, no matter how hard you work, you shall see your success. Play that song, yeah.
Now when there's life, there must be hope. And do not check life.
All who know you suffer, put up your hand in the air. Put up your hand here. Why?
I will survive.
Why? Well, I will survive. Whoa. The people them know your real friend. Press play.
But don't think I'm a stranger. Strange things are happening.
All of the people them know your real friend. We have the under the ear. We have the under the ear. Hey. My name is Daddy Sensei. I'm only 24. When me a little boy I go to school, you see that video you pass Saturday, it couldn't miss me. I wish song me a thought.
We have my legal rights, you know. Well,
all of the people that remember that song, you put up your hand in the air. Put up your hand in the air. What you say? Man have a right, woman have a right. If you don't hurt me not gonna hurt you. But this are the 80s and the 90s. A Papa San this. Drop the Papa San them in there. That's right. Well, I'm the man. Me just play a Papa San and Lady G, no? When I tell you, know me, they believe them usually in our little scene thing. They usually go on with son. Yeah, them. Yo, play one of them, Papa San. Play one of them.
Guess who find out? What's here? You just right on the yard. Papa San say you are miss.
Lady G say you are this. My the relationship.
I miss a one time that I used to tell the weapon. Hold up.
Big up all God bless personally. No rain or fall. Play that song to my brother.
Let me see the answer for the tambourine, the answer. Hallelujah. The woman and mighty man of God.
All God bless.
You on the same step, chop. Yes.
You know the blessings, you know.
Are you ready? You know what I'm saying?
Oi!
From a nicotine, weenie and a bro.
Hold on, the man.
We know that though.
Things that wanna be done, no what. It's like,
hold on, the man.
What me and me back. Single day, me have to stand up and a watch. Crowd of people, all about and a chat. But make the girl look so fat. I want to good food, do that.
Now every DJ they wanna style with a fashion. Now this is my origination. No come get from that is and come murder. Every time, you know.
Sometimes you have to have a little saving grace.
Now the voices of the people are very important. So good night. What's your name, sir?
Yeah, Dukali, you know.
All right. What's your name?
I'm Jonas.
And you?
Leonardo.
All right. Who take the round?
Licorice.
All right.
Licorice.
Okay.
Licorice.
All right. So during that round, what's the biggest song you remember hearing?
Well, the biggest song was Lady G and Papa San.
All right. So out of 10, what would you give Little Richie?
You know, I give him a 8.
You?
9.
You? How much would you give Little Richie out of 10?
Would I give him 7, you know? Because the round there, it say Papa San. It never say collaboration. And due to what me know about music, collaboration is collaboration, single is single. You understand? So I'm going to give him 7.
All right, so this is what the voices of the people are saying. This is what the crowd has to say. But they're giving Little Richie the ground. So Little Richie, in their mind, is going through it. So Guinness Sounds of Greatness here in Portmore. We're having a wonderful time. That's Group A Challenge.
Judges, talk to me. What the feel go on a while ago?
Them get a tough challenge while ago, you know. Little Richie, me get around this still.
Licorice, I swear to God.
Gone road.
Yeah.
Licorice play one full count, and them that we know.
So that's it goes. So Little Richie moves on to the dub for dub round. We waste no time and calling on the next two son right now. So the challenge run is Stitchy. Let's see if we can stitch up the place.
Wall out!
Big up to every real Rastaman. We know still none name, no Trenton, no Natal. The one and name, play the one there.
When not the deadlock of the days I never living. When Babylon dream, Babylon dream down. Let them deadlocks of the days I never living. When Babylon dream, Babylon dream down.
Ladies, wear the shoes when you can't manage. And stop with spiky when motors about now walk soon here. We are on the side, the one here. Oh, the young girls, we are your side. Tell Stitchy advice. Hold on, listen. Big up to all those of your ram dance. Big up to every artist. We love the artist there, because they give me the plate. The one you need. Roll again. Gusta, all who have ambition. Gusta. 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 The one you need.
All again now. Come now.
You have some people who big and don't know them name. Them not even can write their name. We can't tell what me I talk about.
But don't think I'm a stranger. Strange things are happening. Black people living love life you live. My name is Dennis and
big up.
Good night, everybody, again. Come tonight, you know, so we come for win. Oh, you fi come up here and play Stitchy. I forgot the one here.
Carol, fun done. My turn to kill with bun.
Every man get body in their life. But that's a woman born out of. Watch out.
You get me mad.
Well, come one time in our life, we get one heap of promises. We must start with us at Jamaica go change, and people still are suffer.
Talk tough like steel and cement. Back lip service and a gripper. Promises.
All who know say your arm no green, put up one hand in our ear, so. Play this.
No man and woman I want to rock the
Marcia Griffiths, we are gonna want you.
Father, we thank you for it, man. The Almighty give in. Special gift. Look at the champion. No, hear this. I shall sing as long as I live, and as long as I live.
This one they come out as a PlayStation. Don't forget the one, yeah.
Well, Lieutenant Stitch is dedicating this style to all girls in the world and all over Jamaica. And the one thing we notice them feel.
What kind of girl will I see? Let go.
Hey, low, then the tree. Hey, low, then the tree. Hey.
All right, so Kelly, let me start with you. Who do you think won Group B's challenge just now? Was it Sir Flash Mix or Natural Vibes?
Sir Flash.
All right, and who do you think won the round?
Sir Flash Mix.
Why?
Because Sir Flash Mix had more songs and it was more on point compared to the other one. He was like out to the genre that was playing.
So out of 10, what would you give Sir Flash Mix?
I'd give them a 7.
And Natural Vibes?
I'd give them about a 5 or less.
Okay, so the ladies have spoken and they are saying that Sir Flash Mix won that challenge. It's the voices of our public. The lovely ladies are out tonight in Portmore City. It is the Guinness Sounds of Greatness.
Judges, are you ready now?
Yeah.
All right.
Flash mix. Stage performance good. Crowd engagement good. But however, your last song where you play, was it a Stitchy? It was a Papa song. And if it did listen good, it even play in a richer round.
I think the sound they play for us always have the advantage, but not this time.
Not have much to say neither, I know. Natural Vibes.
So look at Richie for Group A won that round playing the Papa San. So look at Richie goes to the dub for the round from Group A. In Group B, you had Sir Flash Mix versus Natural Vibes. So only tell me only think I can play dub for dub now. Natural Vibes are all. Look at Richie.
The two winners have emerged, and it is Little Richie from Group A and Natural Vibes from Group B. They will go head-to-head in the dub-for-dub round when we return right here on the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit @Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
Welcome back to the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The climax of tonight's show is about to get underway as Little Richie and Natural Vibes face each other in the Dub for Dub round. Now remember, the Dub for Dub round has two sounds, Little Richie and Natural Vibes, who have made it all the way to round 3. In this round, they will each play 7 dubs alternately. At the end of that, the judges will decide which one of the two will walk away winner number 5 to join the other 4 sounds in the grand finale. It is dub for dub time, round 3, baby.
See, Guinness, so you have number 1, Richie has number 2. So you play first, Licky Richie will answer. The Dub for Dub round starts after this.
Dub for Dub begins in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We don't have to sing that song for your heart. Come here, play the biggest dub them in tonight. DJ, look at that one here.
Natural Vibe sound. Fat boy become say Alvis. You don't know.
Hey, Sam boy.
What's up on the one? What's up on the one in here?
In the dance hall, Natural Vibe is playing fine.
Tune for tune round now. Dub for dub round now. Me no come here for play with no boy.
Oh gosh, have no mercy.
Let me tell you now, we come to kill soul. Me a go show you now, we come to kill soul.
When the rich squadrons in head, no need to bow, no need to beg.
Me a go show you them song that can't kill me.
A natural vibe. With a poison dot, natural vibes will kill you in a mystic form.
Big song again, but me not come here to watch them they sitting there. This is the boss. What you talk about singing? Play up a berry man.
No, I want to big up Little Richie. And all the rest of the crew, yes.
Little Richie come up here tonight. Kill everything that come across us.
There is some more, yes. Many did try but could not test Little Richie's sound.
Little Richie, me know so your fans them have Lord of honor for me fans them. But members of this tape, who don't care about your so big song, Morgan Heritage.
Another song for the people. HMG. Natural vibes come to bless the people.
Little Richie, tell him, tell him.
You don't got no dubs to test natural vibes.
Me I go tell you something. Them call me the greatest juggler, but me can tell you, say, you see that song here in the Sons of Greatness? It make from 4 years ago. Listen to one here.
This is Leroy Gibbon representing for Little Richie in the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. Run the track, I wanna feel a no sound boy.
Boss is the killer. Boss is the murderer. Little Richie's the first is the killer. Hey, jump and sound if you run away. Little Richie gonna kill.
Let me show you a big son play a big dub.
Tired of taking the blame. Natural vibes are gonna hit them again.
Everybody over there, son.
Big sound on them.
Let me show you a big son.
Right now we're gonna someone I know what you be playing. Over
wanna dance on.
Don't call like you want come cow me down. You cannot cow down Liquor Richie. Press.
Time and show me that a sinful thoughts. When the devil whisper brain damage, darkness fall and hell race. You're rich squad. The Glock clip one more than we age. Rifle in a temper while we heart filled with rage. What do you know about that? Y'all Liquor Richie, we out. I want to say we out some son boy for left road. Move. And give rich squad space. What do you know about that? Squares. Y'all Liquor Richie, they teach you. Y'all that padan. Some boy for those at Jamaica, feel we come cut. Behave themselves, yeah. Rich squad like now, no safe it. Watch your mouth. Cause you know the juggling stuff. Liquor Richie. When we lift each other, circle them ends, everybody.
Liquor Richie. You want some man love on your box rig. Every song in a Jamaica can play this song. You can't find this.
Goes out to man called Rico, fat boy, I don't want to sell to know.
Don't let the obstacles of life get you down. Natural vibes, no. Natural vibes, natural vibes on. Don't let the things they say and do weaken your sound and conquer you. Just make your life one of truth. And I know Jah will see you through. They all want to see you fall and stumble. Batman, you can't tell me how to bust me. Me new brand. Me just fire me. You gone back for spin barrel. It come like this, brother. You want me rise me K-Roll, you know. It come like this, alright. What's a new brand? I'm out of plastic.
Ever said I'm not fresh in the 90s, boss. I'm representing for Rich Squad. 90s, baby, them. You're Rich Squad. You're Rich Squad. Let me tell you something. We love kill song. Hey, Liquor Richie. Fire shot in a some boy yard. Them can't get rich squad, no them talk. Fire shot in a some boy yard. Kill some.
You don't pay no money for them that dub there. Me I go play dub plate for money. Come on, top pocket boy, listen.
He that someone just come from country. Don't try to taste my sound. No, no. So this a natural vibe song. Stand up. You could have come from Rima, or you come from Jungle. You come from Firehouse, or you come from the one song. Me not chatting to the boy. Not chatting's at dumpy time now. Are you ready? Portmore City, Southside, Downtown, are you ready? Gaza.
Some boy feel so them say Liquor Richie, the car is never rewind. So me see up to the time and them feel so right now. They get guns from the Irish and even the Scotch. So me see up to the time, yo. Boy, that's seal up. I'm a Richie. Hey Richie, Budubai, burn. If you try this, Richie, your skin burn. Me gone. I'm like the goalie, me and turn.
Him have some good fans, but he not play no song. Me kill him in our own place tonight. I don't see that, I don't know too. Listen money song.
Natural vibes. Natural vibes. Natural vibes. Some boy don't put your hat where you can't reach it.
How are you, man? It come like you know, you me tell you some is a Gaza government. You think me don't play a cartel yet?
No boy, can't make me run left my place. Draw me up like you think me a necklace. The Benz will a shilly like rice place. Those I give them a home page like MySpace. Liquor Richie, can't hear me. While on the bad training. Hey, shake them go up and post. That when it start, Liquor Richie. Nah, go nowhere.
Big up five starter.
Man, you're not playing no more song.
All right.
7 song.
We have to find out what our patrons think tonight of the Clash. Good night, what's your name?
You know, Dan Kingston.
All right, and what's your name?
Akeem.
All right, straight up. Who take the round, the dub for dub round?
Well, I Liquor Richie me come for still. So I Liquor Richie me I can always bring.
All right, and in your opinion, who took that round a while ago, the dub for dub?
Well, for me, you know, Liquor Richie, he had it in the majority at the first, but the other participant come on a bit stronger in the end, but I still give it to Liquor Richie.
So what's the baddest dub you hear? You remember?
Well, I could tell you it was the new song that he played from, I think it's the 6th Boss.
That's Richie.
Yeah.
All right, what's the baddest dub you heard?
6.
The 6 is real out here in Portmore. The 60 is very real. They say Little Richie has taken that run, but the judges have the final decision, so we're going to take things to them in a little while. It's all about the Guinness Sounds of Greatness right here in Portmore City.
Turn up every lighter, every honor, make some noise and help me welcome to the stage right now. The brother was a real quiffer over Portmore version.
Careful of your circle. Careful of the people you just cause enough of them we hurt you. Yo, me find out that the boy them a switcher. Come round for the weed and the liquor. Enough of them no faithful to ungrateful who want get we out of the picture. We find out say enough of them no loyal. Say them a family them no. Boy, them chat behind your back and when you broke and have the money, yeah, you know what them. Well, you know, mama say careful of friend. No for come round, you be careful of them. Don't put no trust, don't put no faith in them. Cause them will laugh in your face, but they fake in them, boy. Careful of some man will come round. You no beg them no water, no make them drown you. Them will use style and try clown you. Run with some waste man, tell them you don't want them round you. Cause them a switch again. Me say all when I want to love me a save. Say me work round the clock, me not take no day. Better must come get it a pay. Or so me do me one thing, call me the Queffa boss. And me pay my owner. Me take care of me. Me success it alone. I kill them. Them see the Benz, wait till them see the house by the hill. Me pay my. Me take care of me own children. Me success it alone. I kill them. Level. And me say, no me no worry about, yeah. No me no worry about. Come on. Fidi go for fear, sit down and now worry about money and God. And me say, no me no worry about, yeah. No me no worry about. Me happy, make mama happy. Level. Them see the smile and know their life unhappy more while a little rice and mackerel. Still I hold the faith and I call pan Selassie happy make it in a life. Me know say me happy. People might see me a smile and believe say everything fine. I just through them can't see the inside. My while man happy. Tug it out when hungry. If we don't know bad mind sing. The amount of struggle so we face man happy give thanks.
Hits after hits from our sounds tonight, and right now more hits from our special guest tonight version. Do not move a muscle because when we return the judges will give us their version of who is tonight's deserving winner right here at the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. The judges have the last say, but which sound do you think take it tonight? Vote for the Guinness Sounds of Greatness Viewers' Choice Award and win. Visit at Guinness Carib on Instagram to vote, and you could win great prizes from Guinness.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.
It is a windy welcome back here in Portmore City. We started with 4 sounds tonight, and that moved to 2, and now it is time to move from 2 to 1. Who is going to be crowned tonight's winner to move on to the finale? We're going to find out in a little bit. The judges have that decision right after this.
We will turn our attention to our judges right now. And we start with the celebrity guest judge, Rooksy. What are your take on the dub for dub round?
Yeah, big up Natural Vibes and big up Liquor Richie. Them play some great dub, but in my book, make it Natural Vibes.
Not nice. What are your thoughts about this dub for dub?
All right, I wickedest one this. Then say Portmore hot, but I Clash hot. Play school tonight. Natural Vibes, Liquor Richie. As me say, artist dub for dub this, and me can't go around it. Natural vibes, Mickey. Yeah. No long talk.
Bishop Escobar. It's obvious. You understand? The crowd reaction speaks. You know the braff. Natural vibe, Licorice, good round, some powerful dub. So you know natural vibes. Walk away the champion.
So, you just heard from the judges. The winners tonight, Natural Vibe Sound.
So congratulations to Natural Vibes, who becomes our 5th winner, who qualifies for the finals happening in Kingston, up for $1 million in cash and prizes and so much more. But right now I need to know, how are you feeling right now?
Well, right now, we just feel great inside, to tell you the truth. You know, say we leave from so far, come here to win tonight.
How important was this win for you tonight?
Well, it feels great right now. Can't explain it in words, but it was a great experience, and I just feel so happy inside right now.
Was there a highlight moment for you tonight, your favorite moment of the clash tonight?
My favorite moment of this clash tonight was the dub for dub part. Yeah, when we're playing the tune for tune.
That was your highlight. You've had a chance to see the other 4 songs who have made it to the finals in previous weeks. What do you think of them? What do you have to say to them?
Well, they are great sounds, and you know, it's a big challenge towards the final because we have the top 4 sound in our competition, you know. So right now we just a push it effort for the country sounds.
Well, you must have something to say now. We're not really instigating a musical war or anything like that, but you must have a message for those sounds because you are now in the finals, you know, so what you have to say to them?
Well, just prepare because we are come hard.
We ain't instigating anything. Natural Vibes said they're coming hard. They're on their way to the finals in Kingston. Big ups to them for winning tonight right here in Portmore. We will be right back. It's the Guinness Sounds of Greatness. It is all about the grand finale on Friday, June 28th, where one sound will be crowned the champion of the Guinness Sounds of Greatness for 2019. They'll win over $1 million worth of cash and prizes, and also they'll get a big, bad, nice championship belt and bragging rights, of course, which will last them an entire year. So we want to see all of you there at 214 Spanish Town Road for that epic finale. And remember, you can catch us right here on TVJ. We will have a very special roundup show for you. So, of course, you cannot miss it. Also happening in the Roundup Show is another big surprise we have for you on Guinness Sounds of Greatness this year, which is the introduction of the Judges Wild Card. And you also do not want to miss June 28th, the grand finale at 214 Spanish Town Road. My name is Jade. I have to say a very big thank you to Loud Fashion for my outfit, and of course to Taffy and Gina for my hair and nails respectively. On behalf of the entire Guinness team, I'll see you soon. Take care. Mwah.
Extraordinary could be right there in front of you, without you even knowing it. It's something unique, rich and rewarding, full of character. A bold expression of flavor like no other. Discover extraordinary flavor. Guinness, made of more.